What's going on, and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1965 C-10 long bed. This one here is an aluminum block 5.3 L33 motor. Aluminum radiator, AC. She should be good to go. This is also a manual 5-speed. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information, close to 100 detailed pictures of every car, and all of our inventory. We do test drives and walkarounds on all of them. So join us here on YouTube by hitting subscribe. All right, guys. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna look around this custom interior. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? I forgot to do that in my walk around video. Custom headliner, a little bit of glue running down in the front behind it. The dash pad's in great shape. Looks pretty good. Go ahead and start her up. So you got a blower motor in here. I believe that's for heat. And then, of course, this one's for your AC. You got a aftermarket radio, kickers behind the seat, kickers in the doors. You got aftermarket gauges here, the temp gauge, oil pressure, bolts, and tack. And it sounds pretty awesome. 38,000 miles on the dash. Heck yeah, let's try that horn. Horn works. Wipers work. Let's hit the road. All right, I found my seatbelt here, getting ready to take off. Head on down the road. Anything that I see that this truck may need, I will let you know. We're going to try to beat the rain today, so let's take off. Clutch lets out almost instant on this one. A little bouncy. All right. Horn works. Seems to be shifted pretty good. Speedometer's coming up, but it's not correct. It's showing we're going about 60 miles an hour. We're probably running 40 right now. Steering straight as can be. Real tight. As soon as I turn, it turns. Motor feels pretty good. Trying the brakes out here. It wants to keep honking at me. Look at it. Ain't even touching it. I'm gonna fix that when we go to the parking lot over there. See if I can either make it stop contacting or just unhook the horn. Isn't that kind of opposite? We want the horn to work. It's funny, every bump I hit, it starts doing it. Watch. No, didn't do it that time. Turn signals are popping up on the dash, left and right. On. It's so sensitive. I might have to unhook that one. I gotta hold it all funny. On top of that, it's trying to rain on us. Good stuff, good stuff. Y'all figured it out. The spring popped out when we first took off. Yeah. I mean, golly, what a way to start out a test drive video. Emergency brake is slightly working on this one. It is not holding very strong. Actual truck started rolling away from me a minute ago. Windshield wipers are working pretty good. I guess we'll leave them on. It's just sprinkling out here. It's not pouring down rain. I'm gonna try to get back to the lot before I get this thing too dirty. We're gonna have to wash her up again. It doesn't got her out in the rain. Definitely easy to spin the tires in this one. It shifts nice and smooth. On that road with a speed bump in it, you can kind of get an idea of suspension, listen for rattles and shakes. I'll let you know where it is. It's coming up in the middle of the road here. Right here. Nice and smooth. These windshield wipers stop wherever you want them to. Got used to the shifter now and the clutch. We've made it all the way back around. We've done our shots. We're going to go ahead and pull back in the lot here. I've got a bunch of cars to get to this week. Actually 18. So not wasting any time, going ahead and knocking them out, getting them done. I do appreciate you riding along with me. Check out the walk around video, point out any kind of flaws inside and out of this one. I hope y'all have a good one. Later, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the test drive video. Check out maplemotors.com for additional information, including detailed pictures, financing, and shipping. We ship these cars and trucks all over the nation. All of our inventory is located here on YouTube as well. So you can go to maplemotors.com, see our updated inventory. That's everything that we have that's for sale. Make sure it still has a price on it. If it says hold or sold, it's not available. And then you can watch 2 videos here on YouTube and learn all about it. I do appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.